Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is user input. This is the 7th topic in Python Basics. Let's begin. The program prompts the user to provide some input data interactively while running the program. And this input data is further used by the program to do some operations. To get user input, Python provides a built-in function named input. Input function can be used in two ways, without a prompt message and with a prompt message. While executing the program, it waits for the user to provide input. The user input can be of any data type, for example, int, float, string, boolean, etc. The input function will always get it as string. Further, this string type data can be explicitly converted to other data type using type conversion methods. I will talk about various data types and type conversions in detail in later videos. Let's see a demo on user input. I am going to use input function without prompt message. You can see that the cursor is blinking here, which means the program is expecting an input from the user. Let's type something here. Now let's write input function using prompt message. Input. I am giving a prompt message here. Now it is showing the prompt message. Here I can write some input. Let's assign the user input to a variable. Name is equal to input. Enter your name. Let me write a name here. Tom. Let's see the value of name. Let's try with another variable. Age is equal to input. Enter your age. The value of age is 23. Here the type of the variable age must be integer, but the input function receives it as string. Type of age. To get the value as integer, we need to explicitly convert that into integer. Let's type the statement again with type conversion. Age is equal to int of input. Now you can see the type of age is integer. Similarly, let's convert a value to a floating point number. Now you can see the type of marks is float. We have to make sure that the value which we are entering is type compatible. Otherwise it will throw error. For example, so instead of float value I am giving some invalid data. So it throws error. Let's write the same program in file editor and run the program. Thanks for watching. I hope that you like this video. For more details, view the description below. See you in next video.